Here's a day of life, Roman. The Twins communion, and we got kicked out. And now we can't get back in. Roman seems to look very innocent in all this, as we are stuck outside of the church. So, let's see your top teeth. Show your top teeth to the people. Let's see your top teeth. So we walked around the parking lot twice. Thank you. And all the doors are locked. So hopefully someone might rescue us and open up the door. What do you think? Ooh, there's a pretty bird out here. Maybe not. Mr. Roro, nice teeth. Nice teeth. Smile at us, dimple.